Now let's see if Frambois likes the cuttlefish. Crash, shush. Ooh. Oh yes, you like it. No, we can't have the whole bag, you little twit.
She wants to.
I think Frambois likes the cuttlefish.
Oh, sweetheart, did you respond? Sorry.
One more piece. And the rest are for Orion and I. Oh, that's some fingernails. Shoot, there it is. Get her fancy, guys.
Oh, you know, she did it.
Well, the verdict is in. 3 of us like it. And Frambois gonna check out the package.
No! The rest is for Ryan, you little tingle.
Okay, one more piece.
2 more pieces.
You mind?
No, I don't mind. It's fun to watch food play. Can I give her a piece?
Of course you may. And it kind of hurts when she does. Because, yeah, she's holding on real tight. You want to give her one more, honey?
Yeah.
She is purring so loud. Well, thank you very much, Sandy. And Frambois thanks you very much, too.
I did she would. She loves the cuttlefish. Oh, you too, Frambois. Hello, too.
Hope y'all have a great weekend.
So do I, and bye.
Bye, kids. Poof, what about you? You gonna say goodbye? Meow.